guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing an unboxing video, and it's gonna be a little bit different this time because we have a special guest. This is my daughter Emery, and she's awake. And one of the things I've learned as being a mom is the show does not stop. So I have to film this video today before we leave. So she's gonna be a part of it. Oh God. All right, and we're back. It's already a little bit different, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. The November box is themed Hello Gorgeous, and so it's all about self-love, loving the skin you're in, whether you love to wear a ton of makeup, you like to keep it natural. It's just about embracing who you are and loving that. So, are you ready to get into the box? Are you ready to get into the box? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? All right, let's go. Like I said, this month's theme is Hello Gorgeous. And what I love about it is the colors. I think that's probably my most favorite part about this. Color scheme is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, one of the first things on this box is this beautiful rose gold eyelash detail on this really pretty green tissue paper. Okay, and so this is what it looks like when you get it. First things first, I have to just point out that I made these pins, not the actual like rose gold part, but I made the little fur ball part because I could not find a pin like this that was affordable to put in the box. So I decided to just make one myself. Yeah, I just think that's kind of cool. So that's one of the handmade items. I always say like handmade and hand-picked items. But yeah, so you get this really cute little fur rose gold ink pin. So that's the first thing in there. You like it? Okay. All right, I had to move my assistant over to her playmat, so that's where she's at right there. Hey, girl. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some stuff. I just took the plastic off of some of the items, but another thing you get in here is the compact mirror, which is so cute. It's just really simple, little white compact mirror, and it has your initial on it. And of course, that's what it looks like on the inside. So there's me filming on my phone. But yeah, so really cute. Can I see Emery? Let's see. Okay, and then we have the stickers here. So you will get your name on a sticker, which is always fun. A lot of people really like that, so I've been trying to incorporate that a lot more in the box. It's just cool to have your name on stuff. And then you do get this cute little black eyelash paper clip. This is the bigger full box. It says self-love is the best love, and this is actually also, I did all the illustrations for this one. I'm so proud of it. Self-love is the best love, which it is. And then this is the deco sheet, and I will get a little bit closer so you guys can see what all the different stickers are. Okay, so we have some little earrings, some nail polish stickers, a little makeup kind of compact set, a journal that says amazing plans, a little eyelash pouch, which I'll show you why that's on there, a comb and brush, a little coffee with a heart, kind of a play on Starbucks a little bit, this little heart necklace, self-love is the best love, and all these little dots are actual stickers too that you see around it. This little beauty shopping bag, some ponytail holders or hair ties, whatever, people call them different things, this Hello Gorgeous, and then the two girls. And then this is also customized, so depending on the skin tone that you choose, you'll either get the brown skin or you'll get the fair skin. This is the brown skin. Then you also will have your date page. Oh goodness. You have your half boxes. The weekend banner right here. You have the girls again. I just think they're cute, so I included them twice. And then you can cover up the dates with these really pretty stickers. And can I just again say the color scheme of this box is just so pretty. It's perfect for this time of year. It's fall, it's holiday. It's just really pretty. And I love rose gold. Okay, then we have these little headers to do little things today, and then a ton of different ones here. And then some functional stickers, the movie clicker, and some page flags, and the little daily habit trackers. Another full box sheet, and this one is kind of more functional for to-do lists, and then we have these little horizontal lines. Then we have this right here. So loving the skin I'm in, self-love is the best love, and amazing plans, and this is just a full box sheet. Again, just really pretty, and you can use this to layer things on for your planning and your decorating. I cannot wait to plan with this sticker kit because this is just beautiful to me. Okay, and then you also get some cards. I love my cards. I try to include them at least maybe every other box. So yeah, this is the cards. You have this really cute little eyelash one, and on the back it's just this pretty kind of coppery orange color. And then this is the custom card, and it just will have your name with your initials kind of in the background, and then the little animal print. And then the last card, which is my favorite one, is this one that says Hello Gorgeous, and it's that green again on there, and then it's just a little heart on the front. And these copper envelopes, you get 3 of them, and these are so pretty. I don't know if the camera is showing how shimmery they are, but they are gorgeous. They're really, really pretty to me. What do you think, Emery? You like them? Are they pretty? And then the last thing that you get is this little eyelash pouch. Has a black zipper, and it's got the little lashes on there, and this is just cute. It's pretty big, so you can fit a lot in there. You could almost fit everything that's in this box. You could fit it inside of the pouch if you want it. But that's everything, guys. I just wanted to come on here really quickly. Again, as always, you can get $5 off of your first box by using the code INSPIRE5. And go to thestationarymuse.com, click on the box, and check out the page and learn a little bit more about it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.